Ever wondered about the challenges of managing social media? It's like trying to tame a wild beast, isn't it? The constant pressure to create engaging content, respond to comments, and keep up with trends can be overwhelming. But what if there was a tool that could help streamline these tasks? Enter ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can revolutionize your social media management. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, always ready to generate creative content, respond to inquiries, and analyze trends. That's what ChatGPT brings to the table. Now you might be wondering, how does one harness the power of this tool? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, sign up for ChatGPT. It's as simple as visiting the OpenAI website and following the prompts to create an account. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to the API key, which is the golden ticket to accessing the features of ChatGPT. Next, connect ChatGPT to your social media platforms. This can be done through a process called API integration. It might sound techy, but don't fret. Most social media platforms have clear guides on how to do this. You'll need to input your API key and voila, your social media platforms and ChatGPT are now connected. Now it's time to start using ChatGPT. Use it to generate content by inputting prompts. For instance, if you need a caption for a photo of a sunset, simply type in sunset, and ChatGPT will generate several creative captions. You can then pick the one that resonates with your brand's voice. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into generating content for different social media platforms. Each platform has a unique audience type and requires a tailored approach. For instance, Instagram is a visual platform that thrives on stunning images and short videos, while Twitter is a text-based platform where concise, impactful text reigns supreme. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is a professional network where informative and thought-provoking content shines. Understanding these nuances will help you craft content that resonates with your audience on each platform. Moreover, it's crucial to keep your brand's voice consistent across all platforms. This doesn't mean using the exact same content everywhere, but rather ensuring that the tone, messaging, and style align with your brand. Remember, understanding your audience and the platform is key to creating engaging content. In the next section, we'll look at how ChatGPT can help with handling customer inquiries. But for now, keep these tips in mind as you generate content with ChatGPT. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also handle customer inquiries. By setting up auto-responses, ChatGPT can engage with your audience even when you're not online. It can answer common questions, direct customers to the right resources, and even handle complaints. And let's delve deeper into the topic of trend analysis, particularly focusing on how you can harness the power of ChatGPT's capabilities to keep a finger on the pulse of your industry. Firstly, ChatGPT is equipped to identify popular hashtags that are gaining traction. It can analyze the digital landscape and bring forth hashtags that are resonating with your target audience, giving you a clear picture of what's buzzing in real time. Moving a step further, ChatGPT can also analyze competitors' posts, becoming a tool for competitive intelligence. This feature allows you to understand your competitors' strategies, the kind of content they are producing, and how it's being received by the audience. By evaluating these aspects, you can gain valuable insights and tweak your own content strategy to stay competitive and relevant. Moreover, ChatGPT goes beyond just analyzing hashtags and competitors. It provides deep insights on trending topics in your industry. It keeps the track of conversations happening around your industry, identifies emerging trends, and gives you an idea about the direction your industry is headed. These technological capabilities help you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring your content is not just relevant but also engaging. By making the best use of ChatGPT, you can position yourself as a trendsetter rather than a follower in your industry. So, just to recap, to harness the power of ChatGPT for social media management, you need to sign up for ChatGPT, connect it to your social media platforms, use it to generate content, set up auto-responses, and analyze trends. Remember, managing social media doesn't have to be a wild beast to tame. With tools like ChatGPT, you can streamline your tasks, engage effectively with your audience, and always stay ahead of the trends. So why not give ChatGPT a try and see how it revolutionizes your social media management? Well, that's a wrap on mastering social media with ChatGPT. We've given you the tools and the know-how. Now it's your turn to take the reins. Remember, using ChatGPT for your social media management can save you time, increase your engagement, and ensure you're always on top of the latest trends. so why not take the plunge and give it a try? If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have any questions or comments? We'd love to hear from you. Leave them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer them. Until next time, keep innovating and remember, managing social media doesn't have to be a wild beast. With ChatGPT, you're always in control.